What's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a compression test on a Jeep Wrangler. The only tools you're going to need for this are a spark plug socket and ratchet, along with a socket extension, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a compression tester like this one from Orion Motortech. Now that you got your tools, let's get under the hood. Step 1. Remove the fuel pump fuse. This is going to prevent excess fuel from being pumped into the cylinder heads during the process. Step 2. Detach the spark plug wire and remove the spark plug from the cylinder you're going to test. If you're enjoying this video so far, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Step 3. Match the adapter in the compression tester kit to the spark plug you just removed. Step 4. Insert the tube into the cylinder head, being careful not to cross the threads or over tighten. Hand tightening should be good enough. Step 5. Attach the pressure gauge. Step 6. Turn the engine over a couple times and be sure you get a good reading. And then finally, refer to your owner's manual to compare the results. When you're finished, simply reverse the procedures. This is a great project you can do at home and save a ton of money. I'll put a link in the description below for where you can get the tools to do this job. Thanks again for watching. Y'all have a great day.